Before you start a YouTube channel, you need to know this. Some niche can pay very little money, but others can pay you 5 times more for the same views. What I mean by they can pay more, I'm talking about CPM. The video has high CPM. CPM is the cost per 1,000 views. The amount the advertisers are willing to pay for your video. So if your niche is among the high paid, so the CPM will be high because the advertisers will be willing to advertise with you and pay more on that video because they see that the video can attract viewership. So when people view and those ads playing there, people recognize their companies. So the high CPM, the more you get the revenue high. If the CPM is low, you get low payment. In this video, I'll show you 5 YouTube niches that pays more money, especially for the beginners. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I am Missy. In this channel, I share education videos, and if that is something you like, make sure you subscribe. So the top niche that pays well is finance or money. This niche includes how to save, teaching people to save, side hustles, teaching people how to help us to start a side hustle, and how to make money online. This niche pays a lot because companies like banks and apps are willing to pay a lot for ads, and yes, even the beginners can do it. Niche number 2. The niche number 2 is AI or tech. Tech or tech/AI. This niche is about apps, websites, and tools like AI. Right now, this niche is trending a lot. It pays well because many companies are promoting their tools. For the beginners, you don't need to be expert to venture into this niche. You just share what you learn. The little knowledge you have, you can just share it. Niche number 3, educational and tutorials. This means teaching people how to do something step by step. It can be anything simple. For example, how to start a YouTube channel in 2026 step by step. It can be how to start a YouTube channel without a camera step by step. Just as simple as that. This pays well because people stay long on your video because they want to learn those steps from the beginning up to the last step. So when you do step by step, they want to do the first step, second step. By them learning on steps, that's the way they stay longer in your videos. Niche number 4, it's health and fitness. This niche includes weight loss, health habits, and workouts. This niche has high CPM because many brands advertise here. But be careful, always give correct information because if you mislead people, this can cost your channel. For example, advising people not to go to the hospital, promoting homemade medicines, telling them not to go to take the medicine from the hospitals. This can cost your channel. There's a time I did a video on how to make a concoction. I was having cold, so I sent in on my video that I didn't go to the hospital. I took this concoction. I was well. Do you know when I posted the video, the advertisers were not willing to advertise with me. If you monetize the video and you don't get the green the green whatever on the monetization, it is not green. It is orange. Yeah, it is orange, meaning the advertisers are not willing to advertise with you. So they thought I was promoting the concoction and telling people not to go to the hospital, they should take it. So I had to go and check the video. What did I do? Why are they not willing to advertise to my video? And I watched it bit by bit, and I saw the part that I said I didn't go to the hospital. This concoction that messed my video. I had to delete the video. I edited again. I removed that part and I uploaded, and the advertisers are willing to advertise health and fitness. You have to be very careful in what you say or what you advise people. Some things you say can get your channel into trouble. So you have to be careful on what you advise your viewers. Niche number 5 and the last, it is how to make money online. This niche, it is one of the best right now. This niche pays well because people are interested on how to make money. Everyone wants money. If you come with a video saying how to make no money, we will not watch, because I also want to make money. So many people want to make money out there. So when you come and advising people on how to make money, I'm like, especially right now, everyone has a phone, there's data, everyone can afford, everyone, because even the economy, the way it is, getting a job is hard. So if you hear how to make money online and you have a phone that can help you make money, why will you not go for it? You will, because you want money. I want money. Everybody wants to make money. People are searching every day, online, on Google, on YouTube, on Facebook, everywhere, how to make money online. And when they search, they watch. They watch from the beginning up to the end, because they want to know, how is this money made online? What do I have to do? What are the companies that are employing people online? To watch up to the end so that you can get all the knowledge to the end of the video. So when they watch, the video gets views. When choosing a niche, don't just choose because it pays more. Choose something that you can be consistent with, because consistency is what makes you money on YouTube. So those are the 5 YouTube niches that pays more money. Comment below and tell me which niche do you want to start. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.